I bet you didn't know you can travel in luxury without breaking the bank. Let's talk about something that seems impossible. Luxury travel on a budget. I know what you're thinking. Luxury and budget, those two words don't belong in the same sentence, right? Wrong. We're diving deep today, my friends, into the world of affordable luxury travel, where you'll learn how to live like a king without emptying your bank account. Stick around because I'm about to drop some serious knowledge bombs on how to travel in style without the hefty price tag. Let's go! Listen up, people, because this first tip is crucial. If you want to snag those sweet deals on flights and accommodations, you gotta plan and book in advance. I'm talking weeks, even months ahead of time. Why? Because airlines and hotels use something called dynamic pricing, which basically means the prices fluctuate based on demand. The closer you get to your travel date, the higher the demand, the more expensive those flights and rooms become. It's basic economics, my friends. But Hafid, you say, I'm a spontaneous traveler. I like to live on the edge. I hear you, but trust me on this one. A little planning goes a long way. Think of it like this. The money you save by booking in advance is money you can spend on amazing experiences during your trip. Fancy dinners, exciting excursions, that extra shot of espresso in your morning cappuccino. The possibilities are endless. And speaking of planning, let's talk about itineraries. Now, I'm not saying you need to plan out every single minute of your trip, but having a general idea of what you want to see and do can save you a ton of time and money. Research different neighborhoods, transportation options, and free activities. There are tons of hidden gems out there just waiting to be discovered, and they won't cost you a dime. All right, let's talk about loyalty programs. I know. Signing up for another rewards program might seem about as exciting as watching paint dry, but hear me out. These programs can be your secret weapon to unlocking some serious travel perks. Think free flights, room upgrades, late checkouts, the works. Most major airlines and hotel chains have their own loyalty programs, and many of them are free to join. All you have to do is sign up, collect points or miles, and watch the savings roll in. And the best part is, you don't have to be a frequent traveler to reap the benefits. Many programs offer sign-up bonuses, so you can start earning rewards from day one. But it's not just airlines and hotels that offer rewards programs. Credit card companies are getting in on the action too. There are tons of travel rewards credit cards out there that offer incredible perks like airport lounge access, free checked bags, and even travel insurance. Just make sure you read the fine print and choose a card that aligns with your spending habits and travel goals. Luxury experiences, minus the luxury price tag. Let's talk about luxury experiences, because let's be real, that's what travel is all about, right? But here's the thing, you don't need to break the bank to experience the finer things in life. With a little creativity and some savvy planning, you can enjoy luxurious experiences without the exorbitant price tag. First up, let's talk about dining. One of my favorite ways to experience a city's culinary scene without spending a fortune is to skip the fancy restaurants and head straight for the local markets. Not only will you find authentic, delicious food at a fraction of the cost, but you'll also get to immerse yourself in the local culture and rub elbows with the locals. And speaking of local experiences, don't be afraid to think outside the box when it comes to activities. Instead of booking expensive tours, why not explore the city on foot? Many cities offer free walking tours that are a great way to learn about the history and culture of a place while getting some exercise in. Accommodations. Your home away from home. For less. All right, let's talk about accommodations, because let's be real, nobody wants to sleep on a park bench after a long day of exploring. But that doesn't mean you have to shell out hundreds of dollars a night for a fancy hotel room. There are tons of affordable accommodation options out there that won't break the bank. First up, let's talk about hostels. I know what you're thinking. Hostels are for college students and backpackers, right? Wrong. Hostels have come a long way in recent years, and many of them offer private rooms and amenities that rival those of budget hotels. Plus, they're a great way to meet fellow travelers from all over the world. If hostels aren't your thing, consider renting an apartment or house through a vacation rental website like Airbnb or VRBO. Not only will you have more space and privacy, but you'll also have access to a kitchen, which means you can save even more money by cooking your own meals. Eat like a king, pay like a pauper. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic: food. Just because you're on a budget doesn't mean you have to survive on instant noodles and PB&Js. There are plenty of ways to dine luxuriously without spending a fortune. One of my favorite tips is to take advantage of happy hour specials. Many restaurants offer discounted drinks and appetizers during happy hour, which is a great way to enjoy a fancy meal without the fancy price tag. Another great option is to seek out local eateries and street food stalls. Not only will you experience the true flavors of the destination, but you'll also save a ton of money. When it comes to groceries, skip the expensive supermarket chains and head straight for the local markets. You'll find fresh produce, meats, and cheeses at a fraction of the cost, and you'll get to experience the local culture firsthand. Luxury travel for everyone. So there you have it, my friends. My top tips for experiencing luxury travel on a budget. Remember, traveling in style doesn't have to break the bank. With a little planning, creativity, and these insider tips, you can enjoy unforgettable experiences without emptying your wallet. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Travel Tips and Inspiration. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep living life to the fullest. Peace out.